Hello, I'm Jarrod Thomas, a former mentee of the Mullany Fund and shortly an incoming mentor. I currently study biochemistry at the Institute of Biological, Environmental and Rural Sciences, an internationally recognised teaching research centre at Aberystwyth University. Firstly, I would like to take the time, on behalf of the Mullany Fund, to thank all of the National Lottery players for taking part in weekly draws and for helping the many causes the National Lottery Fund contributes to. Much of this work helped the Mullany Fund to tackle barriers to social mobility and socio-educational inequality, so diolch yn iawn, thank you very much. The Mullany Fund's e-mentoring project is a service which students aged between 14 and 19 can be matched with someone of academic interest, an employee in life sciences, so a doctor, a nurse, or a life sciences degree student. The project can help on deciding a career path, setting goals, objectives of personal development, applying to universities for personal statements, CV writing skills and study skills. This project allows a unique opportunity to enter into meaningful discussions. An interesting area for my mentor and I was medical law and the role of a scientist in medicine. Throughout my time with the project, I was fortunate to have a chance to visit UCL and UCLH Education Centre for 5 days to take part in a number of workshops and visit some attractions around London. I developed many skills and qualities and received help in writing my personal statement, tailoring my CV, and learning about the roles that interest me. And the project allowed me to progress in academic studies by identifying needed skills and making the most out of lectures. These unique opportunities allowed me to meet some amazing people and grow in confidence and much more. Therefore, I would like to offer my thanks to everyone taking part in the project, the staff of the Mullany Fund and the National Lottery for their continued support.